To win the peg game, start with hole 1, or the top hole of the triangle open. Then, take the peg in hole 4 and jump over the peg in hole 2. Use the peg in hole 6 to jump the peg in hole 5. Then, use the peg in hole 1 to jump the peg in hole 3. At this point, the 4 empty holes at the top of the triangle should make a diamond shape. Next, use the peg in hole 7 to jump the peg in hole 4. Use the peg in hole 13 to jump the peg in hole 8. Then, use the peg in hole 10 to jump the peg in hole 9. From there, use the peg in hole 2 to jump the peg in hole 4. Use the peg in hole 7 to jump the peg in hole 8. Then, use the peg in hole 15 to jump the peg in hole 14. Now, use the peg in hole 12 to jump the peg in hole 13. Use the peg in hole 6 to jump the peg in hole 9. Then use the peg in hole 14 to jump the peg in hole 13. Finally, use the peg in hole 11 to jump the peg in hole 12, so you just have one peg left.